Zap-Ox is a one-of-a-kind cream cleanser that completely removes gas stains, rust, weld scale, and other types of oxidation on plastic injection molds or any other metal substrates. It reduces the time spent scrubbing and cleaning from hours to minutes. Its unique formula can be applied in 2 different ways. For the fastest results, apply Zap-Ox and scrub immediately. Or you can let the chemistry do the work. Let Zap-Ox sit for a moment, then wipe the oxidation away. It's that easy. For warm surfaces, mix a lubricant into the Zap-Ox before applying to keep it from drying during the application process. And for polished or textured surfaces, the no-grit formula of our new Zap-Ox NG won't leave a scratch. Zap-Ox is not caustic or toxic, so it can be used without affecting your skin or the substrate. For a free sample of our Zap-Ox products, contact Nanoplas at info@nanomoldcoating.com.